The Recycle OECS model is structured on 5 pillars. Pillar 4, the institutional and regulatory pillar.
Legislation plays a crucial role in shaping waste management and recycling systems. They encourage the use of sustainable products and packaging. And this can include bans or restrictions on single-use plastics. We have waste diversion legislation, for instance, what is known as Extended Producer Responsibility or EPR laws. They mandate that manufacturers and producers must take responsibility for the end-of-life management of their products. And finally, governments can design waste management and recycling legislation to stimulate investment in recycling infrastructure. But having said all of this, the effectiveness of legislation and policy is in the enforcement.